Alright guys, I have a customer here with a 95 Nissan 240SX, commonly known as the S14. He was saying that the turn signals did not work, so I went out and checked it. Hazards and turn signals in fact did not work. So on these cars, if your hazards do not work, you will not have turn signals, so it's got to be plugged in for it to work. So first thing I checked was power. Power on this car should come from the green wire and the green red wire. So in the service manual it actually says green white, but it's actually wrong. So it's actually the green wire here. So this wire has power and this green red has power as well. So what I ended up doing was I actually bypassed it by jumping the green red to green white over here, and that gave us power to the flasher down there. So I actually found out that the flasher module was missing, and so if you look at it, even though the hazard switch is not in play, we have turn signals. And so as you can see, if you key it off, it doesn't stay on. So it is working somewhat as intended. We're just going to jump these two wires for now, and then the customer will have turn signals to pass inspection, but he'll have to figure out what's going to have to happen with the actual hazard switch. Now alternatively, we could have tested the hazard switch as well. It's pretty cut and dry. Basically the bottom row, when you push in, should have continuity to the top row, and if you unclick it, it won't. So you could have done it that way as well. But yeah, so just wanted to give you guys a little insight on what needs to be done.